Ayy, filling my pocket with legal tender, cost me to be the winner. Fly out before I can see the winner, no more TV dinners. Wake up and roll me a wood in the morning, I heard it go good with the vitamin C. Baby, you don't need no friend for this evening, believe me, you better all ride with me. Slide to the loo in my leisure, but still had to cop me a crib right outside of the D. I let them think what they wanted, cause bitch, I got bundles of bread, it ain't bothering me. I've been up late in the lab just in case you was looking, that's where I'ma probably be. Make sure you thought about all of that shit that you saying before you done brought it to me. Brought all my soul to the masses, as soon as I dropped out of classes, I knew it was over. Lately I feel like I'm cashless and poverty made me a savage, just weight on my shoulder. Told my little baby the waiting is over, I showed her I'm really the man. All of these rappers be trying to send me they songs, I just told them to send me a band. All of my niggas gon' turn up the function, I'm hitting the stage with that Henny in hand. Boy, you ain't popping until you can fly out the country, I met on my city demands. I do not rock with authority morally, none of them niggas be coming correct. Watch how you treating the one at the bottom, tomorrow he might just be coming to connect. I know damn well what I know, I can't speak what I don't. I don't stress how you feel, so I'm gon' do what I want. Know damn well what I know, I don't speak what I don't. I can't stress how you feel, so I'm gon' do what I want. I can't fight, I'm over that, that just feel like overkill. Act like I ain't told you that, don't do that, you know the deal. I can't fight, I'm over that, that just feel like overkill. Act like I ain't told you that, don't do that, you know the drill. Ay, filling my pocket with legal tender, cost me to be the winner. Shining so hard they gon' see me enter, no more TV dinners. All that I know is I know what I know, and I gotta go learn what I don't. I do recall how them niggas had treated me, wish I could say that it healed, but I won't. I been up middle of night, got a new riddle to write, that's the life of an artist. Girl, you too pretty to fight, let's just be civil tonight, I'ma love you regardless. All of this love in the air, what are you niggas not breathing or something, what's up? Niggas be tripping on power, talking to me like I need them or something, that's tough. Tougher than you could imagine, seem like my usual fashion is never to worry. Ain't got the time to be wasting, but I cannot honestly tell you it's better to hurry. Hurting your feelings if ever you think that I'm giving a fuck, just give it some time. Don't even give them attention, if ever I feel their intention is different from mine. I do whatever I wanna, and most of them only gon' do what they fit in a break. Popping too much for the populous area, roll me a blunt and go sit by the lake. Living my life in the moment, the power is present, and present is all that we got. None of these niggas ain't telling me nothing, the moment they hear it, it's already hot. I know damn well what I know, I can't speak what I don't. I don't stress how you feel, so I'm gon' do what I want. Know damn well what I know, I don't speak what I don't. I can't stress how you feel, so I'm gon' do what I want. I can't fight, I'm over that, that just feel like overkill. Act like I ain't told you that, don't do that, you know the deal. I can't fight, I'm over that, that just feel like overkill. Act like I ain't told you that, don't do that, you know the drill.